Welcome back, or welcome to. This is DJ Skills Camping and Travel, new channel. More vlogs to come. For all my return subscribers, thank you for coming back. For all my new subscribers, thank you for joining. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment. You're gonna see more vlogs coming up with camping, more campfires, me and my family, me doing solo camping, tent camping, and hopefully, eventually, me grabbing an RV. But feel free to stay tuned and hit that notification bell when I drop the next videos. You get to see me cooking, you get to see me eating good camp food, get to see me traveling. I got some cruises coming up, and yeah, I appreciate you pressing play and enjoying the video. Going to be sharing memories and moments with me and my family as I travel and go to different camping sites all over. The next videos you'll be seeing coming up will be at our adventure at Eagles Peak in Robinsonia, Pennsylvania. And yeah, we had an awesome time. Got my granddaughters with me, my oldest daughter, my youngest daughter, my older daughter and her family. Got my granddaughter doing vlogs now. Y'all see her. Got more footage of her coming up. But yeah, thank you for coming through. Thank you for pressing play. That's your man DJ Skills. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.